Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious lemon custard tart. First, let's create the perfect pastry crust. You'll need 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour and half a cup of cold, unsalted butter. Cut the butter into small pieces and blend it into the flour until it resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ice water to bring the dough together. Then chill it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling step is crucial for a tender crust. Next, we'll prepare the vibrant lemon custard filling. In a bowl, whisk together 4 large egg yolks, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Don't forget to add 2 tablespoons of lemon zest for that extra zing. Cook this mixture gently over low heat, stirring constantly, until it thickens to a beautiful, creamy consistency. Aim for a temperature of 175 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure it sets perfectly. Now it's time to bake our tart to golden perfection. Carefully pour your luscious lemon custard into the chilled, pre-baked tart shell. Place it in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until the edges are set and the center has a slight jiggle. Once baked, let it cool completely on a wire rack before refrigerating for at least 2 hours. This ensures a firm, sliceable tart. Finally, let's add some delightful finishing touches to your lemon custard tart. A light dusting of powdered sugar adds an elegant touch and a hint of sweetness. You can also garnish with fresh berries or delicate lemon slices for a beautiful presentation. Serve your tart chilled for the most refreshing and satisfying experience. Any leftover slices can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, though it's unlikely there will be any left.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.